Are you a tea lover? If you like tea and you prefer healthy lifestyle, it is time to enjoy your cup of green tea. The nutritionists claim that green tea is a great replacement for coffee. It is packed with many antioxidants that offer plenty of health benefits. Known as the king of all teas, green tea will do wonders for your body. Health benefits of green tea: strengthens the immunity, boosts the defense system of the body, prevents bacterial and viral infections, helps prevent cancer. According to experts, green tea has strong medicinal properties and can prevent prostate, stomach, lung, breast, and pancreatic cancer. Regulates your cholesterol levels. Drink 1 cup of green tea every day to control your cholesterol levels and prevent different cardiovascular problems. Improves the liver function. 1 cup of green tea a day can reduce your risk of fatty liver disease and improve the function of your liver. The liver is the most important organ, so make sure to maintain its proper function. Promotes weight loss. The regular consumption of green tea combined with physical activity and a healthy diet can promote weight loss. Do this for 3 months and you will be amazed by the results. Fights constipation. Green tea can be very helpful in the treatment of different digestive problems, including constipation. It offers laxative properties that can accelerate the intestinal transit and fight constipation. Treats baldness. It is an excellent source of polyphenols such as catechine that can block the DHT, a factor associated with hair loss. Green tea can stimulate hair growth due to its high content of EGCG, a compound that boosts hair growth and prevents dandruff, seborrhea, and scalp. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.